Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm just going to show you what I'm doing just to give my garden yard a little bit of an upgrade. I'm putting down a concrete walkway, and I'm using something I got from Amazon. It's just a cutout mold that you put the concrete into, and you just move from section to section. It's relatively easy to do. It's a little time consuming, but it comes out rather nice. This is, once the concrete dries, this is the color it is. It's like a whitish gray. When you first put it down, it's darker, and then it lightens up. Like I said, I bought this mold from Amazon. I think it was roughly $35, or I could be wrong. I'm not quite sure. I bought two of them, so I'm not sure if it was 35 for two or 35 for one. And the only other things you're going to need is, it's helpful if you have a wheelbarrow to mix the concrete in. The concrete I got from Home Depot. The walkway is roughly 45 feet, and I bought 10 80-pound bags of this Sacrete. I do one bag at a time, mix it up. You just need water, a shovel. It helps if it's a little bit of a narrow shovel. And I bought this trowel, this hand trowel from Walmart for 97 cents. It works really well. Just once you put the concrete down, you use the hand trowel just to smooth over the top edge, just so it smooths out somewhat. And that's pretty much it. You just put the concrete in with the shovel, tap it down a little bit, use the hand trowel, and then once you have all the holes filled up, you just gently lift up on this from each corner, and it pulls right up, and then you just move on to the next section. So if this video helped you out, I hope it did. Give your little garden an upgrade. Kindly give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Once I open the bag of concrete in the wheelbarrow, I dig a little bit of a hole here, right in the center, and then I just kind of spray some water. And then use the shovel to mix it around. You're gonna have, obviously, a lot of dried concrete on the bottom hooks. So typically I add water about 3 to 4 times and then mix it. So we'll add some more. You want the consistency to be kind of like cookie batter when you're baking cookies. And then mix it around again. So this is the consistency you kind of want. You don't want to have any dry mixture of concrete left in here. You want it all to be mixed together really well. Good thing about this concrete, it doesn't dry very fast, so it gives you plenty of time to put the concrete into the mold. For the larger pieces of the mold, I use the shovel to put the concrete into. And then I use the trowel, that little hand trowel, for the smaller ones, and I use it just to smooth it out on top. Like I said, I just use the hand trowel just to smooth it over as best you can. And it makes it easier with the hand trowel if you have like a little bit of a gap here that you might have missed. You can just use a small amount and pack it in. And one more for the front. And that's pretty much it. And then you don't have to wait for it to dry to actually lift the mold up off it. It's actually easier if it's still a little bit wet. You just lift each corner gently, and then you can lift the whole thing right off. And then move on to the next one. I should mention that about 15 years ago, I did put down the same thing, but unfortunately my property is on wetlands, so after 15 years half of it actually sank into the ground, so that's why I'm redoing it. It's actually a little easier for me now with the other walkway underneath it. It'll help with weeds and whatnot not coming through. Okay, this is the finished product. These are the pavers I just put down today. That's why they're the darker color. I'm happy with the way it came out. So I went back and I checked Amazon, and the mold that I used for these, it cost $22.99, so that's pretty cheap. I already had the wheelbarrow and the shovel, so all in all it only cost me roughly $100 to do this. So it's a cheap upgrade, looks nice. If this video helped you out, kindly give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.